So hopefully you did enjoy that walk around of the North East British Bird and Mule Club show of 2022. It was a fantastic show up in Durham. Really did enjoy it on the day. There was about 400 birds, I believe. A really good entry, slightly larger than the one we went to last week, which was the Lancashire. And there was some fabulous competition as well. So in both the champion and novice classes, as well as there being loads of Norwich and a good number of soft bills. So it was absolutely fantastic to see. Loved a load of the birds that were in there. Something that stood out to me, there was a class of 4 Hawfinch cockbirds, and there was a class of, I think, 6 or 7 crossbill mules, which is unusual. You don't usually see that many, and a class of 6 goldfinch bullfinch hybrids. So absolutely superb. Great effort from everyone who went to the show, and some very worthy winners indeed. And speaking of worthy winners, we won once again with the Greenfinch cock, which won last week. We won Best Novice Exhibit and Best Flighted Novice Exhibit with the Greenfinch cock. So fabulous, once again, outcome for myself. And the rest of the birds did usually pick up in the cards. I think there was one of them that comes 7th, everything else coming probably top 3 or top 4. So I was really pleased, and it was a great day overall. I must admit there were some fantastic little touches by the organisers for winners of the specials. So I got some prize money. I also got some sort of custom made whisky glasses with North East British Bird Mule and Hybrid Club on them, which was lovely. And what's more is that they also included some seed vouchers, which is very helpful at the moment, especially with the price of seed. So it is very much appreciated. I absolutely love the show, and I highly recommend, if you are looking to show some British birds, mules, hybrids, Norwich or soft bills, that you do go to this show next year when it's on. Don't forget, merch is still available with an embroidered O.C. Avery Bullfinch logo, absolutely superior quality on hoodies, t-shirts and polo shirts. So if you do want to order some merch and find out some more information, make sure to drop me a message in the social medias in the link in the description, or drop me an email. Now, if you are new around here and you'd like to see more from us, then make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any more future content. If you have enjoyed today's video as well, make sure to drop a like on it, and make sure to follow us on social media as well. All the links for that are in the description. So thank you very much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. See you later.